Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn VHDL programming. To begin, understand that VHDL is a powerful language for describing digital hardware. You should start by grasping fundamental digital logic concepts, like gates and flip-flops. Next, choose a good VHDL simulator and an integrated development environment, or IDE, to write and test your code. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth learning journey. Once you have the basics, dive into VHDL core concepts. Focus on mastering data types, operators, and concurrent statements, which are essential for parallel hardware descriptions. Then, practice sequential logic by working with processes and state machines. A great way to solidify your understanding is to implement small projects, such as a 4-bit counter or a simple decoder. Consistent practice builds strong skills. As you progress, explore more advanced VHDL features like packages for reusable code and generics for flexible designs. To truly see your designs come to life, utilize FPGA development boards for practical hardware testing. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Remember to debug your VHDL code, effectively using the simulation tools you've chosen. Understanding waveforms is key to identifying issues quickly. Finally, challenge yourself with larger, more complex projects, such as designing a simple CPU or a custom peripheral. Collaboration is also key. Engage with the VHDL community and review open-source designs to learn from others. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other helpful deals. Continuous learning and building are vital for mastering VHDL programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.